Welcome to our channel. Photo diode sensor lamp using BT136 Triac. This is the BT136 Triac of 3 terminals. First MT1, second MT2, third gate as shown in this diagram. Next in this diagram we use one photodiode. Okay, as we know that long length leg is positive and short leg is negative. Next we used in this project 100k resistor, one lamp. Okay, 40-watt lamp it is. Okay, connected to holder. Let's start the connection. Take BT136 Triac. Okay, connect 100k resistor to MT2 and gate terminals. One is connected to gate point terminal, and next another terminal is connected to MT2. Next take photodiode. Okay, its negative leg is connected to gate and positive leg is connected to MT1. Okay, negative is connected to gate, positive leg is connected to MT1. Okay, now connect lamp. Okay, any terminal of the lamp is connect to MT1. Okay, make soldering correct. Do not remove your wire when testing the circuit. Okay, next take. Okay, this one terminal goes to supply. Okay, for supply connection we use one 2-pin plug. Okay, connect any of the wire to this lamp. Okay, next connect another supply terminal to the MT2. Okay, see here another terminal of the supply is connected to MT2 as shown in this diagram. Like that we connect with the help of soldering. And now the connection is over. Okay, we test this circuit. Over market. Let's test this circuit on 230-volt AC supply. We connect to 230-volt supply by this 2 pin plug. Okay, this is the 230 volt supply socket. We connect plug. Okay, any of the terminal connect to base and neutral, nothing to worry. Okay, make switch on, lamp on. Okay, circuit is okay. In this project we told photodiode sensor lamp it is. So photodiode sense by this here. So we call it as photodiode sensor lamp using BT136 Triac. You can see here how the brightness is decreasing when flame near to sensor or photodiode, and when flame is apart from the sensor, brightness is increasing. See how the sensor is working in this project. Okay, this is the only first time made this type project on the YouTube.